Let's G, kay Doc Yari, Kiri Piri, happy at quality palagi.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Please stand as we welcome the callers led by the our nation, we stand before you today with hearts full of gratitude. Thank you for the blessings of this day, for the strength you have provided, and for bringing us together to witness this significant milestone in the lives of our brave cadets. Lord, we invite your presence to guide us. To formally open this program and welcome us all, let us hear from Dr. Gaudencio Enandaya Jr., NSTP Coordinator.
Good morning to our distinguished guests, respected officers of the 103rd Community Defense Center, dedicated ROTC commandants and training staff, faculty members, proud parents, fellow educators, and most especially our graduating advanced and basic ROTC cadets of CCOSET colleges. Today marks not only the closing ceremony of your ROTC journey, but also the celebration of discipline, resilience, patriotism, and leadership that each of you has cultivated throughout your training. This occasion stands as a testament that beyond academics, CCOSET colleges continues to shape young individuals who are prepared to serve, to lead, and uphold the values of honor and responsibility. Easy. You endured rigorous trainings, early preparations, physical challenges, and moments that tested your determination and character. Yet, through sacrifice, perseverance, and dedication. As we gather for this meaningful ceremony, let us remember that ROTC is more than drills and commands. It is a training ground for nation builders, community protectors, and future leaders in your professions, communities, and personal lives. We are also deeply honored by the presence of our esteemed keynote speaker, Dr. Jacqueline Abelia Desiego, the president of CCOSET colleges, whose leadership and unwavering commitment to excellence continue to inspire the entire CCOSET community. On behalf of the NSTP department and the CCOSET colleges, I warmly welcome each and every one of you to the closing ceremony of the Sikosat Advanced and Basic ROTC Cadets. May this occasion inspire us all to continue serving with honor, leading with integrity, and living with purpose. Congratulations to our cadets and welcome to this momentous celebration.
Thank you, sir, for this warm and inspiring words. We now proceed to the recently completed all requirements of the basic and advanced ROTC program to be followed by the formal declaration of graduation led by Major Freddy C. Evangelista, Philippine Army Reserve ROTC Commandant.
Honor to present to you 306 students of basic ROTC cadets and 42 advanced ROTC cadets who have satisfactorily completed the program of instructions on basic ROTC program, MS1, MS2, and advanced ROTC, MS31, MS32, and MS41, and MS42 school year 2025-2026. Be closed and students be declared graduates today.
The 306 basic and 42 advanced ROTC cadets students of basic ROTC program for the school year 2025 and 2026 be closed and the students be declared graduates effectively today. Congratulations.
Different areas of training. May I call upon Second Lieutenant Jacqueline Abella de Siego, Philippine Army Reserve, our keynote speaker and Sikosat School President. Allow me to read the citation. Headquarters, Department of Military Science and Tactics, Sikosat Reserve Officer Training, for displaying an outstanding work ethic and willingness to go above and beyond the call of duty. Through his commitment and hard work, he had contributed significantly to the success and growth of the Cadet Corps. His loyalty and commitment to our values and mission have been an inspiration to us. In recognition for his exceptional loyalty and dedicated service as a cadet in Sikosat ROTC unit, given this 25th day of May 2026 at Sikosat Gymnasium, Linsat, San Fernando, La Union, signed by Major Freddy C. Cadet in Sikosat ROTC unit, given this 25th day of May 2026 at Sikosat Linsat, San Fernando City, La Union, this 25th May 2026, signed by Major Freddy C. Evangelista, Philippine Army Reserve, and
Lieutenant to be Abat Manao Pangasinan. General Orders number 57 to 63, dated 15 May 2026. Pursuant to the...
Okay, please raise your right hand and follow after me. I state your name. A reservist of the Philippine Army Armed Forces of the Philippines. Solemnly affirm that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and obey the laws and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines. I hereby declare that I recognize and accept the supreme authority of the Philippines. And I will maintain true faith and faithfully discharge
One,
Cadets and officers are taught that authority is earned. They are expected to demonstrate high standards of discipline, physical fitness, and integrity before they can lead others.
Kaliwa, drop. Slow, on. Walk. Walk, slow. Go. On, drop.
The sword is a ceremonial symbol of authority, leadership, and responsibility. It is exclusively held by cadet chess discipline through a strict drill. Congratulations, Vices. And now, may I call on Sikusan ROTC Unit Commandant Major Freddy C. Evangelista